87 SS boy checking in. Hey, this probably gonna be a short video. I really don't even know what all gonna happen in this video today, but I know for one, I got my the T-top bags. I want to clean those up. You know, they've been sitting. They got all kind of dirt, dust, and grime all over them, but they seem to be in good condition. So I'm gonna clean them up, and I'm gonna clean up these extra set of T-tops I have. So we're gonna see how that go. I'm not gonna paint them or anything yet, but I just want to clean it up using just some standard cleaning stuff, like some green, power green. That's what I'm gonna be using. So yeah, we're gonna clean this thing up using a little power green and my other little car wash stuff. But these are the T-top bags. Again, like I said, they're not in the worst shape. At least on this one, you can still see the GM and Fisher body and everything on there. So we're gonna clean these up and see what happens. And then the T-tops are laying right here on the ground. Yeah, so just to show the condition of the T-tops, like I said, they look good. Like I said in the other video, like this is just, you know, I can just scrape that off. That's just old dirt, you know. Only thing, I mean, like I said, look like maybe paint this, but I'm gonna just clean them up. Like I said, I don't really have a use for them right now. Ooh, shoe game. But like I said, it got the mirror finish tint on it, as you can see. You can see my fours right there in the background. This is what the panels look like, and the weather stripping. Real good condition. Real good condition. So I got me an extra set, y'all, just in case. And I heard some horror stories about them T-tops flying off or whatever. Mines are pretty secure, so I don't think I have to worry about that. But you know, I'll have them just in case. So we're gonna get to work on these bags and those T-tops over there. Really, my main focus is these bags. Get this cleaned up, all this, whatever this crap is on here. So I got a couple things I'm using. I don't want to use anything too harsh because this is leather, I guess. So I don't want to use like any hard brushes or anything like that. And then once I get it clean the way I want it, I'm gonna throw some of this vinyl and leather renewer on it. It's like a conditioner. You know, my wife got this from Dodge for her Durango, so they give her one of these like every month or something. So I guess she paid for it, so she get it. But yeah, we're gonna get into it though. Power green. See how this shit come out. I'm gonna need this brush. That shit is brown, cuz. That shit brown. So all that dirt coming up. I'm trying to work it in as many directions as I can, up and down, back and forth, so I can try to get all of it. But y'all see what's going on. I don't know how much dirt coming off, but we getting somewhere. We doing something. so now that we done made this first pass on these, this one right here on the right was way dirtier than the one on the left. But I made the first pass on these, so I'm gonna spray them off and see what we looking like, see what else we need to do. Man, look at all that dirt. That dirt probably from the 80s. Probably from the 80s. We'll probably have to make a couple more passes on them, but they're looking good so far. You ain't really gonna see exactly how good they're gonna look until they actually dry. But as you can see already, like, it's a big difference. I still gotta get the back and everything too. See, look at the back. That's how the front looked, but actually worse, honestly. Back with it, this one, like I said, it wasn't too bad. So, we'll see. Yep, it's getting dark on me, but I got the backside done. As you can see, that shit is brown. Like, dirty. So it'll probably be tomorrow before, you know, I can get them dried out, and, you know, so you can actually see how clean they come. But man, look at that. That's dirty. Filthy, man. But ain't nothing a little elbow grease and a little time can't take care of. I know I'm getting like the inside, the cloth of this wet, but you know, it is what it is. It can't be no worse than what done happened to them over the years. So I'll just let it air dry, and we'll go from there. I think they're gonna come out really good. Oh, almost lost one. There you go. Yep, so get back with y'all when they dry. But right now, they looking pretty damn good. Definitely looking good. But like I said, they still wet, so yeah, I don't know if it's telling the truth right now. I don't know if we're getting the whole truth right now, but still got suds and stuff. But yeah, we getting there. They don't know what this, I guess there's some paint us. Oh, well, I was wondering if I could get it to come off, and it looked like it's flaking off now. So I guess I can get that off later. But yeah, I think I got a perfectly good set of bags here. Then we'll get to these T-tops, like I said, probably tomorrow, because it's getting dark on me out here. Y'all see what it is. We working. We working, man. In the chop shop. Plane, I wonder where they going. We in the chop shop. We out here working. In the chop yard. Yes, sir. We getting her done. All right, y'all. So I still have a little bit of light, but I got my light on my camera. These hadn't dried all the way yet, but oh man, as you can see, these things look pretty good. I mean, I was not expecting them to come this clean. Like, I really wasn't. And I only went over them like twice. I was not expecting them to come this clean. But what I wanted to show y'all, so you can even see the print on this one now. You couldn't really see it at first, but you can even see the indentation in there now. So we back. We got these T-top bags cleaned up. Pretty nice. They came out pretty nice, I think. So now I'm gonna use this vinyl and leather renewal that I was talking about. So I'm gonna put it on here, you know, kind of protect it. It might give it a little shine or something like that. But hey, they came out pretty good. I'm definitely satisfied. Like, for some bags this old that done been through what they've been through, like, they came out really nice. We're gonna try to you know, keep them as nice as I can for as long as I can. I'll do one at a time so I can kind of get a comparison of what they look like, you know, before and after this conditioner. Of course, this is the one that I've wiped down, and then this one has not been wiped down yet. This is, it's not all the way dry yet, but it's close. But that's pretty much the shine that it's gonna have, and it's protected now. So, pretty big difference. We'll do this one now. Probably didn't even need to use as much of this stuff that I did use, but it is what it is. We got plenty. This thing ain't even, it's all the way at the top. So we got plenty. Yep, so the bags are done and conditioned. They look a whole lot better than they did before. Got all that dirt, dust, mold, mildew, whatever it was off of there. And this is the finished product. I think they came out great. You know, just a little elbow grease. That's all it takes. A little time, a little elbow grease. Man, thing's actually nice. They clean up pretty damn good. And before it, on this one, you couldn't even see the print on it. So you can even see it a little bit, like, yes sir, came out great. So it's starting to rain on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean these T-tops up. I'm gonna clean them up, let y'all see what they look like now when they messed up. I'm gonna clean them up and then I'll show you what they look like when it's done. But you know, just like washing a car with this, so you know, it ain't really nothing to see. And then at a later date, I'll go through and scuff this up and paint it, have them ready to go just in case I ever need them. And then this is the other one. Like I said, not too bad. Just need to be just a normal, regular little cleaning. I'm actually really feeling this this mirror tint on there. Yeah, I know those T-tops, man, like you get a lot of heat inside, like those clear windows, so they make a cover. It's kind of like a headliner cover that I plan on getting to block some of that heat when I'm not using my T-tops. They just, you know, they go up under on the inside. They just go up under there and snap in. So I plan on getting that at a later date, and of course once I get it, I'll show y'all and put the link up and part number and all that stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna go on and clean these up, and then I'll show y'all the finished product, and we're gonna be out of here. I got these T-tops cleaned all up. Like I said, they weren't bad, so I just went over it. The rain is starting to catch me now. See, they're getting wet, but we got them cleaned up. And they looking pretty good. Got them things cleaned up. I'm gonna dry them off and take them inside. Put them back in storage until I can get back out here and prep this and paint these edges here. But I'm not too much worried about that, or not in a rush to do that, because I got T-tops on my car already. So these just backups. And I actually need to test fit them too, because I'm not sure. You know, I'm pretty sure they fit, but I just want to make sure, because of course if they don't fit, I'm gonna just sell them. Like I said, I don't know whether these came off of a Cutlass or a Monte Carlo LS or what, but I know they didn't come off of SS, so that's why I need to kind of verify and make sure they actually fit my car. That's it for the day. 87 SS boy. We out of here. Catch y'all on the next one.